The Caribbean reef shark is a species of requiem shark, belonging to the family Carcharodontidae. With a robust, streamlined body typical of the requiem sharks, this species is difficult to tell apart from other large members of its family such as the dusky shark and the silky shark. Distinguishing characteristics include dusky-colored fins without prominent markings, a short free rear tip on the second dorsal fin, and tooth shape and number. It is one of the largest apex predators in the reef ecosystem, feeding on a variety of fishes and cephalopods. They have been documented resting motionless on the sea bottom or inside caves, unusual behavior for an active swimming shark. If threatened, it may perform a threat display in which it frequently changes direction and dips its pectoral fins. Like other requiem sharks, it is viviparous with females giving birth to 4 to 6 young every other year. They are of some importance to fisheries as a source of meat, leather, liver oil, and fish meal, but recently they have become more valuable as an ecotourist attraction. Bait is used to attract them to groups of diverse and controversial shark feedings. This species is responsible for a small number of attacks on humans. The shark attacks usually happen in spring and summer. A heavy-bodied shark with a typical streamlined shape, it is difficult to distinguish from other large requiem shark species. The coloration is dark gray or gray-brown above and white or white-yellow below, with an inconspicuous white band on the flanks. The fins are not prominently marked, and the undersides of the paired fins, the anal fin, and the lower lobe of the caudal fin are dusky. The snout is rather short, broad, and rounded, without prominent flaps of skin beside the nostrils. The eyes are large and circular, with nictitating membranes. There are 11 to 13 tooth rows in either half of both jaws. The teeth have broad bases, serrated edges, and narrow cusps. The front 2 to 4 teeth on each side are erect and the others increasingly oblique. The 5 pairs of gill slits are moderately long, with the third gill slit over the origin of the pectoral fins. The first dorsal fin is high and falcate, sickle-shaped. There is a low interdorsal ridge running behind it to the second dorsal fin, which is relatively large with a short free rear tip. The origin of the first dorsal fin lies over or slightly forward of the free rear tips of the pectoral fins, and that of the second dorsal fin lies over or slightly forward of the anal fin. The pectoral fins are long and narrow, tapering to a point. It feeds on a wide variety of reef-dwelling bony fishes and cephalopods, as well as some elasmobranchs such as eagle rays and yellow stingrays. It is attracted to low-frequency sounds, which are indicative of struggling fish.